Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the Lord, God bless you. May the Lord, God bless you. May the Lord, God, may the Lord, God, may the Lord, God bless you. Okay, sabay-sabay natin batiin. Happy birthday, Micah. Happy birthday, ilang taon ka na?
5.
5. 5 na siya. Bigyan natin ng 5. Crocodile flaps. Ganito big. 5 lang ha. Kasi 5 years old pa lang siya. Ready? Ay, lahat daw. Oh, gatingin si Ate Micah. Sino ang hindi nag-clap? 5 lang. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uy, lampas man. Sabi ko, 5. Ulit. Walang lampas. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sinong hindi marunong magbilang? Thank you, classmates. Welcome, Micah.